Hello everyone! Would you like to know about the tradition, beliefs and values of the inhabitants of the neighboring country? This is where you will discover and understand how to do business with German people.
The Germans are considered to be masters of planning from many points. The German thinking process is extremely deep, every aspect of a project being analyzed in a great detail. Careful planning both in a business and in their private life ensure safety.
As dress code is conservative, understated and formal. Men should wear a suit and tie, while women should wear a suit. Business cards are exchanged quite soon after the beginning of a meet. They should be in English, and unless you have already set up in Germany, it is not necessary to have them translated to German. You should include any either degree or honorus with your name.
Germans are competitive, ambitious, and are beginners. In German business, a person's word and egg shape are considered as bond. If a verbal agreement is made in a business meeting, it's generally considered binding. Business negotiations tend to be analytical and factual. A well-researched speech with a lot of graphs, empirical arguments, and statistics is usually preferred. A direct matter-of-fact approach will be most appreciated.
Business is hierarchical, decision-making takes place at the highest levels of the company top-down. It's not appropriate to bypass an associate of equal ranking by consulting with his superior, even if negotiation takes a long time. Deference is given to authority. Subordinates rarely contradict or criticize the boss publicly. Decision-making is often a slow and detailed process. Don't expect significant conclusion to be reached based on spontaneous or unstructured results. Every aspect of the deal you propose will be pored over by many executives. Don't anticipate being able to speed up this process. The negotiation is rather factual, explicit and clear with the Germans. We know what to expect.
In Germany, the buyer will usually focus on value for money and move forward sequentially with an eye on the market price. Some customers will go into the details of the price calculation, others will try to get rewards. We feel a combative character in the exchange to arrive at the best final proposal.
Small talk is widely used in Germany, but what is small talk? These are small informal sentences that we exchange with other company employees in the elevator, the dining hall, or at company parties. This serves to break the ice and create a pleasant atmosphere at work.
In Germany, small talk can have a certain advantage. Sometimes there is informal discussion lead to meaningful conversation. We must avoid talking about privacy or wait to get to know the people with whom we interact a little better. Politics, religion, and money are taboo subjects, but this doesn't necessarily only concern Germany. Acceptable gifts at business meetings are items of office equipment, good quality pens with your company's logo or lacquer. If you've been invited to a German home, the German gift giving custom is to bring a host a gift such as chocolates or flowers.
Punctuality is extremely important, and arriving at a meeting 15 minutes early is well thought of. In case of any delay, it's imperative to inform the interlocutors in advance. Meetings adhere to strict agendas, including starting and ending times. Appointments in Germany are mandatory, and meetings in German companies are generally scheduled well in advance. It's advisable that you make appointments a few weeks beforehand by telephone or fax. Allow up to 4 weeks to make appointments if using the mail. Brief preliminary meetings may sometimes be arranged at short notice. Try to avoid business meetings in the months of July and August or around the times of national holidays.
The planning process is often very time-consuming. However, when this is over, a project will move very quickly and deadlines are expected to be honored.
Germans believe that the time allotted to a decision should be determined by the nature of the decision, and not dictated by external pressures such as the customer request or movement in the market or more the mate competition. Instead, the time allotted to decide should be dictated by the internal rhythm of the decision-making process itself. Decision-making is rather collective and consensual. It's the cell time that ultimately decides. Decisions are made faster. The German prospect or customer is rather open to new opportunities. He often offers a coffee to quickly put the salesperson at ease. Curiosity often prompts the buyer or prospect to listen to the salesperson about what they have to sell. If a salesperson wishes to meet a client without an appointment, it is still possible to be received. The welcome reserved is more welcoming and courteous.
We thank you for watching our video and we hope you like it and answered your question. Now you know how to work with German people.